Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create high converting ads in minutes. Yes, you heard that right, in minutes. No more back and forth with the UGC creators to get you some content. AI is here to change the game completely. And if we're not leveraging it, well, we might just get left behind. If you're new here, my name is Sarkis. I've been in the e-com game for a few years now and have managed over thousands of dollars on Facebook. So here's the deal. I'm all about helping you stay ahead of the curve so you don't get eaten by the big sharks out there. And guess what? AI will be our secret weapon. Before we jump into the good stuff, make sure to smash that subscribe button and that notification bell on because you don't want to miss out on the amazing strategies I got lined up for you guys. Alright, so let's dive right in. The website I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. It's called creatify.ai. This website will allow you to do user-generated content, UGC, without ever having to speak to a real person. It's crazy. Now, what's really nice is you can generate your first ad for free and play around with it. However, it will be downloaded with a watermark. So make sure to click on my link in the description so you guys get the best promotion out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate your first ad for free over here. And you will see that will ask me to share the link to my product. Now, I already have a product page I would like to play around with. It's by Rise Superfoods. I'm not affiliated with them nor work with them, but they are an amazing big brand out there selling mushroom coffee. And I think they have really nice photos and also a really nice product page. So all I have to do is basically copy the product page link and put it in here. And then I'm going to click on Analyze URL. It will ask you to sign up. You can sign up using your Google. Once you're signed in, it will just ask you a few questions. What best describe your role? I'm gonna go with business owner. Next. Which industry does your business belong to? E-commerce. Next. What is the size of your company? 1 to 10. Next. What kind of videos do you want to create? So I want to create video ads and press next. How did you hear about us? Make sure you press on YouTube, submit, and then you can go ahead and finally click on Analyze URL. So over here, it just takes the most important information from your product page, including the product name and product description. You can obviously edit this to make it more to your liking. And also what's really nice is you can add your logo so you can have it in your UGC video on the top right. Product name, I will just go with mushroom coffee. I will remove 30 servings. And now product description, what's really amazing is that Creatify literally did all of this job for me. I didn't have to put anything in. It took the most important information from the product page and kind of compiled it in this crazy innovative way. And I think they did a really good job over here. They really touched on the points on what this mushroom coffee really does. And I'm pretty happy with the product description, so I'm not going to touch it. Now also Creatify takes the main images from your product page, so you can come over here and edit, and you can take out any image that you don't want included in your UGC video and even upload more images or GIFs that you want included. For the moment, I think this is really good, and I'm gonna press save, and then I'm gonna press next. Now, it will ask me for the video settings. On Facebook, I would highly recommend 1:1 or 9:16. I will go with 9:16 as it's more universal. We can put it on Reels, we can put it on TikTok, and so on. Video length, I will go for 30 seconds, just right in that middle. Target audience, that's optional. And then language, we will just leave it at English. And then press next. Now, for the most impressive part, Creatify will actually generate a script based on our product page. So you can see over here, let me show you. There's discovery, there's motivational. We can also press on generate more scripts and see what comes up. And in case you guys have your own script that you want to input, that's completely fine. You can click on do it yourself and put it in here. For the moment, I really like this. Let me show you. I'm gonna press on select. And I can also edit it. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit it a bit. So maybe the hook, I'm not a big fan of. Ever feel like you're running on empty with your regular coffee? It's not really catchy enough. So I might have to get something created and input in here. So I think with a few tweaks now, this is looking pretty good. Tired of feeling anxious with coffee? Mushroom coffee has changed my life. This blend boosted my focus and energy without the jitters. Pure calm and productivity. It's my little secret to staying energized and happy throughout the day. Try mushroom coffee and feel the difference it makes. Get yours now. Trust me, it will elevate your daily routine. All right, so I think this sounds way better now. I would also make sure to make the call to action a bit stronger with some scarcity, right? And some urgency. So I added in get yours now for a limited 30% off. So now this is pretty nice. Call to action, urgency, everything is checked. A really nice hook. So we're gonna go ahead and press next. We can see over here that it already generated a few options and different visual styles, and also has shown me the avatar that is being displayed. It's a young female as I requested. Let's just say the avatar is not really matching what I was looking for. Then we can click on avatars over here, and we can see that there are a ton of different avatars that we can play around with. Now I really like this one. It's ultra realistic and it's in the kitchen, which matches the morning coffee, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click on her. This is crazy. This is purely AI. All right, so now that our avatar is ready, we can select our visual styles. You can see there's product, green screen effect, top and bottom, even Twitter frame, which is pretty interesting. Let's take a look at these. So this is green screen effect. So this is looking pretty good. I think we can do a lot with this green screen effect, and the green screen effect is pretty popular on TikTok and Facebook. So now the only thing I would want to edit up is going to be the voice. So maybe the voice is not really matching with this kind of avatar. So maybe we can go for another voice. We can see over here there are tons and tons of different voices that we can choose from, and some are more on the ultra realistic side. All right, so after looking into these, I think I pretty much like Sophia over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select her. Liking the voice. Now, there are some other things that you can play around with, and I wanna show you guys. You can play around with the ratio in case you change your mind, right? And you can play around with the editor. So you can actually click on the editor and edit pretty much everything you want to edit. Let's just say you're not a fan of the music. You can literally come over here, took it out. I can come over here to music, and I can select some trending music that Creatify offers. I think Sunrise sounds pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and press on that plus button and it will add it in. And you can see just like that, change the music. You can also change up the assets if you want. You can change the photo, you can change the text again. Let's say, something just didn't sound too right. You can play around with this pretty much in depth. Creatify gives you full access to edit this, but I think Creatify already did the job for me. The whole point is for me not to edit a video, and I think it did a good job. But in case you want to be picky about something, you got the option to do so. Now that I'm done, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and press render. So as I said before, with Creatify, with the free ad, you will be able to play around with it fully, so you get to see what your final version would look like. However, it will have a watermark, so I'm just gonna press render with watermark. It will take a second. So let's go ahead and play this and see what we got. Gonna go ahead, press on this.
Here are 3 reasons you should switch to mushroom coffee. First, it boosts your focus and productivity without the jittery side effects of regular coffee. Second, it's packed with ingredients that enhance brain function and immunity. Lastly, it gives you sustained energy all day with less caffeine. So grab yours now and start feeling the difference.
This is looking pretty amazing. Damn, and to think that this is all AI, from the script to the idea to the avatar itself and the voice. Like, that is absolutely bananas for me. You got an ad in less than 60 seconds. And there you have it, everyone. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, because there's a lot of AI content coming out soon. As always, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all next week.